Like, what was that? Yeah, boss babe, let's get into it. Ew, ew. What up, y'all? So this is my holiday glam. I'm using the milk primer. This is the matte one. I have combination skin, so sometimes I go for the matte or the milk, the green one. A good dupe is the e.l.f. power grip. And we're just putting it all over the face, child. Now, I'm drying it with my hands because you want to make sure the primer is nice and dry. I'm moving on to them eyebrows. Now, I don't get my eyebrows done because they haven't grown since I came out the womb, okay? So they may be a little messy, but it gets the job done. I'm using my Benefit pencil and we're just shading it in a little bit. Nothing too crazy, you know. Just a little shade in. I like the natural eyebrow look. I mean, this is a holiday party with the work folks. We're not going for pristine. You know what I mean? We're not going for that. But yeah, we shading it in, getting it good, getting it done. Now I'm going in with the NARS Radiant Concealer. I love the NARS Radiant Concealer because it just blends so well with my skin. I use it even just daily by itself. Like if I'm doing a quick run and I want to conceal my dark spots. Okay. Now we're blending that on our eyelids so it don't look crazy. Now this is a Urban Decay eyelid concealer. To be honest, I'm just trying to get rid of that. I had it for a while and we're gonna see what it gives. Now that I'm looking at myself doing my makeup, it was not worth it going to that holiday party. I don't know about y'all, but these holiday parties, especially for the job, it's like I should have stayed home, child. I need to set better boundaries. But we're going in with the Huda Beauty Easy Blur Foundation. I just started trying Huda Beauty. I love her blushes, so I really wanted to try her foundation. Her Ube collection, top tier, pristine. Now we're gonna blend all that in. At this moment, I was realizing how dry my skin felt. Because with combination skin, I usually mix primers and do a matte one and a grippy one. But now I'm going in with the e.l.f. concealer. This is the e.l.f. the matte concealer, and then I'm going with the hydrating one on the side. Build it. I feel like the more concealers you use, the more it looks like you got your makeup done. Then I'm going again in with the NARS concealer just to highlight that area under my eye. Yeah. Highlight those bags and those dark circles, shall we? Then we're going to do a little contour on the nose because we want to get that illusion. Okay? A little illusion. I'm using the Morphe palette I've had for a minute. And we're going to contour the nose. Girl, what? The nerves? The nerves. Boom. Back to the holiday party, y'all. So, do y'all go to y'all work holiday parties or do you just skip it out? You know, I'm trying to build rapport, but I don't know. And it doesn't help where I live. Every time I go out, I regret going out. But it's like I have to go out. I'm young. But I just don't like going out. It's a disappointment. The crowd, the ambiance, the music. What can I do? But happy holidays for sure, y'all. The holidays is filled with cheer. And if you're having a terrible holiday, shout out to you too, because things will get better. It's about to be the new year. Think on the bright side. It's a new side of life, okay? So now we are blending in that contour. Trying to give my face a little chiseledness. I mean, we already chiseled, but just a little extra don't hurt nobody. Alright, we're blending that in a little bit. Little sprinkle, dabba. A dabba ranch. Now we're blending out that contour on the nose. Okay, we're not trying to look like an alien. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Now we're going in with the e.l.f. blush. Now a little goes a long way with this girl. Like, you really don't need much of that. And this is the orange one. The orange shows up a little red on me, so like that gives holiday cheer. Then we're gonna blend it out going upward to give more of a snatch look. Now we're doing the Rudolph on the Red-Nosed Reindeer. I like to put a little blush on the nose to give me that chill, like I've been in the cold all day, because I do live in a cold area and I hate it. Someone rescue me. Now we're going in with this Morphe palette. I'm telling y'all how old it is because I've had it since high school and it's probably expired. But who's clocking it? No one. Because I'm not a big eyeshadow girl because I have hooded eyelids. But we're going in with one of the colors off that palette. And we're just giving a little natural color. I'm going for a conservative eyelid look. Nothing too much. I don't want to scare the office people. You know? They seem a little conservative. And then I'm going in with like a highlight in the eyelids to give me that little razzle dazzle. Now that little quick spurt, that was the one size powder, their blurring powder. It was my first time trying it, so we'll see what it looks like in the end. Supposed to give you that blurred filter look. Okay, y'all can be the test of that one. We're just dusting it off. I don't like to bake too long because I don't have much time. I got to go. Now I'm feeling a little dry, so we're going to go in with the Fix It Spray, the MAC. Need some type of moisture. Okay? I'm feeling dry. Now put some eyeshadow under the eyelid. It's that same Morphe palette, just a black eyeshadow, and I'm putting it in my waterline. As you can see, my eyes were watering real bad. I have to take a break. Oh yeah. Tell me, yeah. I hate when that happens, you know. And part of it because I didn't wait for the eyelash to dry, you know, impatience. I need to be patient with y'all makeup. Now we're going in with the Laura Mercier powder. I love her. She's been my girl for a while, so she's my favorite powder, one of them. And that's just to set the face in general. Bing, bing, bing. Now we're gonna dust off Access product. Now we're going in with the Charlotte Tilbury All Night Spray. She's a newbie that I like. And then I'm going to go in with the One Size matte spray later on. We're going in with the MAC lip liner in the color Strip Down. Yeah. Strip it, baby. And then we're going to line the entire lip with Strip Down. She's a very pretty nude. We're going to blend it in with the brush. Okay. Now we're going in with the iconic Ruby Woo. Pop it. Bad gal. Mucho gusto. Gracias. De nada. Boom. And that's the end. Thank you all for watching. Make sure you send this to your baby mama, your baby daddy, your cousin, your uncle, and your granny. Okay? If they like glam, period.